QNT at the time of this recording is attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. We are also attempting to see a break above a significant key area of resistance above the $80.4 mark. And on today's video, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, give you reasons as to why we can easily see more than a 5x here on the QNT chart in the next coming months, and also give you my short-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening. You can see that after listing in 2021, QNT gave us a massive break to the upside, taking us to all-time highs above the $429.7 in a move that gave us more than a 4x to the upside. And after getting to all-time highs, we started a bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a bear market low below the $40 mark. And after getting the bear market lows, we continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we first peaked in these 5-wave move to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $229 in a move that completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we picked in a larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And this is an area that we have now fully maximized. And I came up with the area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the bear market lows to that high above the $229, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave to the fib between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that perfectly lies between the $134 and the $80 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And in the recent crash, you can see that we lost the fib level 0.78 in a move that gave us a breakdown move to the next area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies above the $62.3. And at some point we lost the fib level 0.88, and that now means that there are chances that in case in the next coming days we continue seeing bearish movements, we can easily see a total breakdown over here, giving us a reset of the bear market lows at the $40 mark. That is something that we need to be aware of. But in case we manage to break above the fib level 0.88 once again, reclaim it and hold it as support, there are chances that we can get another bounce back in what could be the start of another impulse to the upside in this larger Elliott wave count 3. And if that is the case, then using the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave that we have at the moment, we can get a minimum target area for that Elliott wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $355.1, and that will be my minimum target area. And if that move plays out based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that would be a perfect 7x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliott wave count 5. And if that is the case, we can easily cash out more than a 10x here on the QNT chart. But remember, we have lost the fib level 0.88, and that now means that in case of any further weakness in the next coming days, we are going to see a total reset of the bear market lows, maybe even see a new bear market low here on the QNT chart. That is another scenario that we need to have in mind. And jumping to the 1-hour chart to now give you the short-term price prediction analysis, which is playing out after we saw the massive breakdown move on the 5th of August. We have seen a very nice bounce to the upside in what we can now term as a bounce, as a Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. And having seen a bounce to the upside in an Elliott wave count 1, we expect a bit of a pullback in an Elliott wave count 2, and its minimum pullback target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low that we made on the 5th of August to that high, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the $57 and the $55.4, which is the area I have highlighted here on the charts. And that means that there are chances that in the next coming hours we might see another pullback into this area to get a low within the area before we can continue gearing up even higher. So there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in an ABC corrective move, having this as a wave A, then this is a bounce in a wave B before we get one more new low in that wave C to put in place the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And once we have the low for this second wave, we can see another bounce in an Elliot wave count 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And once we see a 5 wave structure to the upside, that will be enough confirmation that on the 5th of August we bottomed out, and there are chances that we are going to continue seeing higher prices in the next coming days. So that is what I'm expecting here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.